What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. Girl, go ahead and welcome you back real quick. It's your girl Crystal, aka CurlieCrys. Okay, you already know who I am, and if you don't, then that means you ain't subscribed. That means you ain't part of the family. That means we have a problem now. So smash the button down below. Smash it, okay? Smash the button down below. If you ain't part of the family already, like sis or bro, smash the button, okay? Go ahead and join the CurlieCrys family so you can know just when I upload and everything, so you don't miss none of my videos. And if you are a part of the family, you know I appreciate you. You know, like, I appreciate you, okay? My sis, my niece, my aunt, my cousin, my nephew, my uncle. You know, like, I appreciate you. We got that kind of bind, okay? So what we're doing today is a Flexi set on wet hair. So I've done one on dry, stretched hair about 3-4 months ago maybe, but this one's gonna be on wet hair, like soaking wet hair. So I went ahead and like drenched my hair, especially washed hair, but it kind of had dried at first. So now it is I'm gonna make sure it's soaking wet when I apply these products. And the products that I'm gonna be using is some new products that I've never tried before. It's the Ashtae Sculpturing Lotion as the leave-in conditioner. And then as my styler, we're going to be using the Ashtae Heavy Foam Lotion. And y'all, it say quick dry on there. Y'all see that right there? Quick dry. Wait, where is that? Hold up. Right here. Quick dry. So we're going to see just how quick, because it's kind of late where I am right now, and I need to dry quickly, okay? Let's just jump into this video. I ain't going to stall y'all anything. I mean, I know y'all want to talk to me, but I mean, guys, I have to record the video. Like, the video has to get recorded. So for this sculpting lotion, I read the directions and it says for normal sets, mix 1 part of this with 4 parts of water. For firm styles, mix 1 part of this to 2 parts of water. So, and then it says for drop curls or finger waves, use the product's full strength. So this stuff must be real strong, okay? So I'm gonna do the 1 part of this to 2 parts of water. I'm excited about this. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. Alright. So we shook that on up and created our leave-in our sculpting lotion, which I'm gonna use as the leave-in conditioner. And now we're just gonna apply this onto the hair, section by section, and then apply the foam and pray for the best. We're just gonna pray for the best, okay? Alright, so I'm detangling first, and then we're going to apply the foam, and then we're going to ride it on up. Ooh, nice and smooth actually. Alright, now we're going to go in with the foam. So I'm going to do the gray rods for the back section. Alright, same steps. Spray. Rub that on in. Get that nice and soft. I hope y'all had a good day today. Or a good weekend or something like that. Because y'all, my weekend has just been stupid, like hectic. And it's like 2 a.m. right now. And I just had to get this content out for you guys. So that's why I'm up recording, because I want to, you know, I talked about staying consistent and I really want to continue with that. So it's 2 a.m. and I'm up recording, but it's okay, because y'all gonna get some bomb content hopefully. Alright, I just applied the foam and then we're gonna rod it on up. So I'm gonna just keep doing the same thing and I'm gonna just let y'all watch me. Okay, fam, so I finished this whole section right here, and y'all, let me just say that this lotion and foam combination is bomb. Like, the foam is like, when I put it on my hair, it feels so smooth, and like it just like multiplies basically. Like, at first I was putting like 2-3 pumps. No, I only need 1 pump, okay? And like I still have some all over my hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head, and we're gonna come back and see how it's looking, sis. Alright, y'all, so the whole head is done. Okay, and do the side part because I want to do something different. So I'm gonna go ahead and get underneath the dryer. I don't know why I wore this sweatshirt, y'all, cause I have to get underneath the hot dryer with the sweatshirt. Alrighty then. Now I'm gonna go ahead and continue to underneath the dryer, and I'll be back in the morning. Alright, family, so it is the next day and my hair is completely dry, or let's hope it is. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put a little bit of oil on my hand, and then rub it on in just so we don't create a lot of frizz. And just gonna go in and start unraveling these rods. Alright, y'all, so I took down the majority of them, and they really look good, honestly. And they feel great. They have a nice hold to it. So I do feel like I got that medium hold by the 2-to-1 ratio with the Sculpty lotion. So now we're gonna go in and separate. Alright, fam, so I went ahead and separated everything, fluffed a little bit, and y'all, my hair looks so good. Like, my friend's here, and she was like, dang, girl, look good as heck. I was like, right. So I absolutely love these products. The Ashtae products are super bomb. I got a really nice hold, but I feel like it'll last me really, really good. But y'all, the definition is popping. Like, so much volume that I may just get hot with all this hair on my head. But yes, y'all, and this style is great if you're transitioning because it mixes all of your textures as well. So let me know if you like this style in the comment section down below, and also what you think about the look and everything. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, do that by now, please. Okay, hit that button, smash it down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you all in my next video.